Hey everyone, this is Miss Blake, and this is the introduction on how to use Canvas. So we're at the Cerritos homepage. To find Canvas really quickly, just go here on the right to Quick Links, click on it, and the second from the top is Canvas. Click on that and it'll open up a new window where you log in. And then you scroll down to find our square. Okay, so I'm going to use a different class that has already been published, but it's going to be very similar looking. So here's our square, and you can always find our square with our name, our CRN, the course record number, but then also it tells you the year and the semester it's in, okay? Plus I like to have these little pictures, so look for the picture. Click on it. Let me get to student view. Okay, so this is the home page. This is what Canvas will always open up to in our class. And you see on the left here are the important links. We have announcements. So this is where I will send reminders about due dates or updates about due dates or reminders about, just in case for this essay, make sure you blah, 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 blah. Okay. Here are the modules. You click on this and it will bring you to our weekly things to do, our schedule, what we will be learning that week. So, we have our orientation first. And you guys, please do click on every page. Don't just go to the assignment page or the discussion page that has a due date. Please go to every page because, for our essay, I don't just give the instructions, I also give an example. Okay? So please go there to check it out, to make sure that you understand, and see if you have any questions that can be answered, okay? Discussions. These are where you'll find our weekly discussions and also our pre-write discussions. Okay? There will also be links in the module itself, in the weekly module, okay? Assignments, this is where you can go if for some reason you can't remember what weekly module the assignment is in, you can go to assignment and find it here. Okay. Quizzes. Again, we'll have weekly quizzes on every reading that we do for class. And you can find them here. They'll also be linked in the weekly module. And then you can find your grades. There is Tech Connect Zoom. So this is what you can use for meetings. I will be sending email invites for our weekly office hours that you don't have to go to. They're not mandatory. They are just there in case you need help. Have any questions, have any concerns, want to say hi. Right? And then we have online tutoring that you can use. So if you want more feedback, more from me, more from your peers, you go here. All right, so those are the important links for our Canvas class. And always, if you want to email me and you can't remember my email address, go here to the left for inbox. Oh, okay, sorry about that. Inbox, and then you'll just click on that plus sign, the make a new message sign, and then you click down and you can find our class, and then you can find our name. All right, so that is how to use Canvas. Okay, thanks. Bye.